Getting started with the BlenderBIM add-on can be confusing for beginners, so let me guide you through the installation process. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Firstly, we need to go to our browser and search for BlenderBIM.org. Here we have to go, of course, in the download tab, and we will find more types of downloads, and they are for different operating systems. In my case, I'm going to download this one, download for Mac Silicon, because this is what I'm using. This is my machine. But if you are using Windows, you have to download this one right here. And we can see that this version is from the 2nd of April 04 and 2024. So it's from this month. After we have downloaded the add-on, we have to go to Blender. I'm assuming you already installed Blender and you launched it. If you did not install it yet, have a look here in this video. I'll show you how you can do that. In Blender, we go to the Edit tab and then in Preferences. In the Preferences, we click on this tab right here, Add-ons, and then we click on Install. And in our Downloads folder, we should find this right here. We can see that this from today, right? But we are not done yet. We have to also enable it. And how do we do that? Well, it's simple. Just enable this checkbox. Clicking on that, and now we can see something interesting. We got this menu. After closing this tab right here, we see that right at the top, the new interface. And this is the interface of BlenderBIM. This is how we know that we actually installed it and it's also enabled. And we also will see this workspace right here called BIM, which comes by default with BlenderBIM.